Hi, my name is Matt Caswell, contractor with Panda Exteriors. We are doing a good faith attempt to repair on Mr. Olu Akinsanya's roof in Upper Marlboro, Maryland. Today is December 5th, 2023. It's approximately 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is for nationwide. Here is the shingle we've marked that we will be repairing. We must look at the two rows above to see what happens when we manipulate them to remove that shingle. We will get started. Okay. Sure I'm all set. Trusty roof snake. All right. There. All right, so it's gonna end right here, which means we're taking out 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have marked up our sample area and nationwide ATR 12523, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are now taking our before photo. Okay, let's get started. Seal those two. Okay, I'm gonna get my tool bag a little closer. So, trying to remove the nail. This shingle just ripped right here. So, that's already failing, unfortunately. We just had another rip. We just got to set these out of the way a little bit. So we got it failing in a couple places there. Ah, we missed one. Again, another rip. Okay. Now hopefully it'll come out. Sheesh. All right, that's now the third rip right there. Just trying to blow that mat away, material. All right, so here's our damaged shingle. Here's our new shingle. I'm getting stuck on something. Sometimes it gets stuck on the underlayment and we got to adjust it like I just did. I want to show you what's going on already. So you've got damage appearing there, damage appearing in there, and then I'm gonna very gently lift this. We had multiple rips underneath, right in here. So I can't get that material back. It's done for, so that's a fail. And then we had one over here. When I went through here, it poked a hole in there. Okay, let's get to it. We're gonna load our roof snake. Something didn't quite right. There we go. A lot of granules just came running down the roof when I hit the hammer. Wow. So now I can actually see the damage that was caused just from the minor manipulation. I'm gonna have to move this nail away from the usual spot. Actually, A lot of damage up on that shingle too. I'll show you at the end. This shingle has damage. So far, all of them have damage. And mat transfer. One more nail. Actually, there's two more. One more nail, the one that prevented me from pulling the shingle out. Where was it? They had it over here. All right. So, as you can see, there is a lot of damage to the shingles just from that minor manipulation. I'm just taking a photo. You can see, wow, all up in there, dark creasing just from that slight bend. So even this shingle, which survived the best of them, you can tell some granules came out. These shingles cannot whatsoever be manipulated for a repair. The roof is not at all repairable. It's got to be fully replaced. There was mat transfer, ripping, creasing. I'll take this photo and then show you the underside of the shingles where there was the ripping, so I can circle it. Okay, so if we lift this up, this whole section ripped. Where else? Over here I feel like it ripped too, but this was the big one. That one's okay. And then trying to hold it, tripod, and show you. And then right up in here, as well as it pulled out material from the shingle above. Okay, so all that being said, this is a fail. Thank you for watching.